Hello everyone and welcome sa 173rd na 17 holes sa channel na to. So for this video, meron tayong Wonu birthday box version 3. Yehey! So ang cute ng kulay actually nung kay Wonu dito. So meron tayo nito, tapos ito dun sa likod. So Wonu birthday box. Hey Wonu day birthday box version 3. Alam kong November or December na pag na-post to, pero anyway, late ko siya nabuksan. Kasalanan ko to. Pero at least ilang buwan lang. Alam ko yung kay Woody dati, ano yun, kalahating taon na. Kalahating taon na ba? July. O nga no. Anyway, ito yung likod. Ang ganda ng kulay ng fonts. Ito yung ating birthday box. Tadan! Ang ganda talaga ng kulay! I like it. It's so cute. Ay, ano? Dali kayong tripod. Tripod, wiggle ka boy. Siyempre, meron tayo ng OB. Meron tayo ng outbox. Meron tayong photo book. Ito yung poster. Meron tayo nung postcard and invitation set. Ang ganda ng kulay! Meron tayong photo set. Meron tayong photo card set. Yung balloon. Tapos yung ceiling wax. Saka yung, ang tawag doon? Ceiling wax and stuff. So, simulan natin sa photo book. Paliit yung gagawin natin. Ang ganda ng kulay. Natutuwa ako. Ang ganda. I love that color. Hindi ko magets ko anong kulay siya, pero ang ganda niya. So, meron tayo muna nung photo book ni Wonu. Hey, cute. Yan. Cute. So, maikli pa yung book ni Wonu dito. July 17, 2024. Oh, pinko! Cute! Tignan natin. Buksan. Celebrate Wonu. Ang weird talaga ng burger concept. So pretty. Pretty. Contents. Wonu's birthday party. Get ready with me for my birthday party. We Wonu's day. And then catch. Ang ganda ng kulay. He's so baby. Ang cute. Baby boy. Ang ikli pa ng book ni Wonu dito. He's so cute. Happy birthday. Parang di siya masaya. Ayan, masaya na siya. Mustard na nasa pink na lalagyan. That looks so wrong. Cute. Cute baby. Spouty. Cute. This wedding sweater. Get ready with me. Ito yung, ito yung merong mga text pero in Korean. Ito na yung English na form nun. Wonu, there's going to be a special party for your birthday at the festival. Kind of fun. Music boy indoor with the carrots. Dress code, hoodie. Burgers and cola. Come ready to wish me a happy birthday. That will be enough. Or I guess it would be nice for each cat to bring a sauce of their own choice. I won't provide any so that everyone can bring their favorite and put it on their burger. Kailangan mo isang recommendation. Sana nagfo-focus ka, diba? What would be the perfect gift for carrots? Spoon and chopsticks then. Spoon and chopstick pero gusto niya burger. Healing and holiday. Aww. Wonu day. Cute. Happy Wonu day. Happy Wonu day kahit sobrang late na. Ooh, happy Wonu's birthday. Seryoso naman si Badit. Life na nadali yung tripod. Wonu balloon. So cute. He's a baby. Cute. Ganda talaga ng kulay. I love it. Puzzle word search. Carrots, Wonu, and birthday. Happy birthday, Wonu. The hidden catch. Tayong Wano na may game. And then, yung answer key. From Hoshi. Meron tayong message galing kay Hoshi. Hindi ko mababasa kasi Korean. So, yun yung photobook ni Wano. Cute. Next, meron tayo no mini poster. Ano ang mini poster ni Wano? Dalawa yun eh. Oh. Wow, seryoso yan. Tapos yung isa ay seryoso pa din, diba? Ang cute. Oh, siyang unin siya tinidaw. So, yun yung poster. Meron tayo nung photo set. So, photo set na ito. Fuji color. Meron tayo nung cutie. Cutie. May hawak na ba yun? Baby. Then, meron tayong Wano. So, yun yung 4 na laman nung photo set. Cute baby. Next, meron tayo nung invitation letter. A postcard set. Ganda ng kulay! Meron tayong Wano. Where they're here. It's hugging the balloons. Cute. So, celebrate Wano. And then, yung letter ay ito. Happy birthday. Celebrate. So, yun yung laman no letter. And then, meron tayo nung sealing box and post stamp. Ang ganda talaga ng kulay. I'm here because I like the color. Ayan. Meron tayong wax. So, celebrate ng wax. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong small stop nyo. So, pinko. Pinko. Meron tayong kung ano man to. I think baliktad. Parang ano isa ata. Anyway, yun yung stamp ni Wano. And then, meron tayong ng balloon. So, yung balloon ay ayoko na yan ilabas. So, basta puting balloon na may pink na font. Ito ay pink na balloon na may puting font. Tapos, yung final na inclusion ay meron tayo ng photocard ni Wano. So, meron tayong Wano. Cutie. Cute, baby. Hala, cute. Balloon. Sale ka. Siyempre ang kanyang piece. And then, finger heart. So, ito yung likod. 197. Why? Celebrate Wano. Oo nga pala naka-assign sila per letter. So, nakay Wano yung Y kasi happy birthday. Kanya yung last. So, yun yung photo cards for Wano birthday box. Yun na ata lahat ng inclusions natin. So, ayusin ko na lang para sa outro. Ayun, so yun na po lahat ng items for this unboxing. So, kung nag-enjoy naman po kayo, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, see you sa next na video. Bye-bye! Cute baby.